Hey gang, as promised, some more Prizm retail. I have the blaster boxes and the fat rack pack bonus packs. And as expected, these have the red, white, and blue bonus pack. We talked about that the other day. I still don't know what this has. Let's see. 24 cards, 3 blaster exclusive laser parallels. I'd forgotten about those. These do have 1 mem card. I had forgotten, or maybe Prizm did not normally have that. I don't know. Somebody comment below. Did Blaster Prizm last year have a mem card? I really don't remember. I do remember the mega box having the autograph, the green whatever laser Prizm something. I don't know, disco-ish. I can't talk today. Good grief. Let me just start over. I'm opening some cards. Anybody want to watch? Okay, great. Let's do this. Let's check out these first. Hang on. Get you back here with me. And open some cards. 4 cards per pack in these. There is Dante Hightower, Ebron, Peterson, and a Mahomes Brilliance. Very nice. Giovanni Bernard, Trey Burton, Lawrence Taylor, a Ryan Finley rookie card. Zeke, Corey Davis, Mike Williams. Oh, green. I forgot about green. Retail green. Marquise Brown green rookie. Nice. All right. Good start. Really good start. Thought there's going to be some value in these bonus packs. Especially when you can consider you get these too. Red, white, and blue looks good this year. Nice smooth gradient transition there. Anthony Miller. There's Randy Moss. And Irv Smith Jr. rookie. Man, I'm calling that a really good start. I'm digging these. Alright, alright, alright. Poyer, Dalvin Cook, Melvin Gordon, and Unstoppable Aaron Donald. Kerrigan, Cook, Kurt Warner, and Jalen Ferguson rookie card. So it looks like if you get an insert, you don't get a rookie. Which that's alright. Got Skowski, Doyle, Suggs, and a green Foster Moreau rookie card parallel. Nice. Green looks good too. I'm liking Prizm this year. They've done a good job. They did not last year. Alright. Roethlisberger, Amendola, Dexter Lawrence rookie. Nice. Next pack. Sorry, had a little break. Let's keep rolling. Alright, I cleaned up my mess though in the little break, so that's good. Alright, where were we? Oh, we still have the whole contents of that bonus pack and one more, so let's roll out, little homies. Deshaun Jackson, Kyle Rudolph, Fitz, Brilliance, Philip Lindsay, AJ Green, Traquan Smith, Urlacher, and Godwin the second rookie. I think that's the first rookie of that player that I've pulled out of anything. May, Clowney, Peters, a green Sterling Shepard, and our bonus pack. Yeah. Wow, that pack felt extra thin. Landon Collins, Dalvin Cook, and Caden Smith rookie. I'm ready. I can't talk again. I've been pretty happy with my parallels thus far. Myles Garrett, Cameron Brate, Royce Freeman, and Le'Veon Bell Fireworks. Carter, Cole, Shaquille Griffin, Brian Burns rookie. Alexander, Harris, Rivers, and a silver Aaron Rodgers. First silver. Silvers are not easy to get. People think they are because it's like one of the lowest of the tier, actually the lowest tier of the parallels, but they're not that easy to come by. Not in this product anyway. Jared Cook, Tim Brown, and Sean Murphy Bunting rookie card. Alright. Let's get into this and see who our mem card's going to be and our 3 laser parallels. So it's the laser, I guess that kind of lighter blue color last year. Not sure if that means it will be again. We're about to find out. Let's crack some packs. Alright. Herndon, Diggs, Emergent Kerryon Johnson, and Dexter Williams rookie. The GOAT. There they are. It looks yellow. Michael Thomas, LaDainian Tomlinson, and Philip Lindsay. There it is. It's kind of a gold. I guess it is gold. I don't know. Some people may want to call it yellow. Looks good though. Very nice. Marlon Humphrey, J.J. Watt, a silver Jabril Peppers. God, those silvers are just sweet. They're so clean. And Terry Godwin, well, there's Godwin the second twice. I said I didn't get him at all, and then I get him twice. I think this is the mem card. Pierre Paul, a silver Jalen Hurd. Nice, nice, nice. And N'Keal Harry, premier jersey. That looks good too. I wonder if this is a silver parallel or if all the jerseys are this silver. Maybe we'll see in the other box. Brian Burns, rookie, is the last card of that pack. Chubb, Fournette, Russell Wilson, and Tyler Boyd. Laser. Last pack of this blaster as the following. Ogletree, Kerryon Johnson, Keenan Allen, and a Jonathan Abram laser rookie. So just one laser rookie in that box. Let's see if we can get an extra one in here. Or extra 2 even. I'm making a mess. Alright. Calvin Ridley, Pat Tillman, Kerryon Johnson Emergent again. Want want. Double down on that. Dexter Williams rookie. Le'Veon, Diggs, LT, and Fred Taylor. Mr. Longevity there. Michael Thomas, Russell Wilson. Here is an Archie Manning silver. That's a great looking card too. Look how sweet that is. And Godwin. Man, when I said I didn't get Godwin, the card God said, okay, we're going to give you a lot of Godwin. That's the mem card. We'll hold on to that till last. Beckham, Paul, Lewis, and Mike Williams. That blue looks good with that silver, I mean gold or yellow, whatever you want to call it. Ingram, Fournette, Key, and dang, another Jonathan Abram. Alright, let's see who our last mem card is. Watt, Keenan Allen, it is Ryan Finley. And it is silver, so I'm going to guess they all are. Last card is Brian Burns. Nice little orange, bright orange swatch there. Not bad. Not bad at all. That's a lot of fun there. All the different parallels. the laser, the red, white, and blue, getting a little bit of mem card action in there, a couple of unexpected silvers. Not bad. That was a lot of fun. A lot more fun than I thought it was going to be. Did I just say that twice? I think I did. I'm so sorry. Did I say I'm sorry? I'm so sorry. Everybody, take care. Hope you're having a great weekend. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys. Oh, wait. The next new product is like Draft Picks, Prizm Draft Picks Baseball, which will be hitting in just a couple of days. So I'll have that for you guys. And I'm going to order some other new-ish stuff. It's already hit. But I may do another box of Bowman Chrome. I don't know. I'm trying to weigh it out. There's a lot of sales going on. And as we get closer to Christmas, there will be even more sales. But I want to kind of carefully pick, what I get, what I end up rebuying to open. Probably, since I've only done so little Bowman Chrome, I may go that route for sure. And then a couple other things. But it'll be a surprise. You'll see. All right, everybody take care. Love you guys. Bye.